Dad's doing the cinnamon challenge.
Yep. You want to do it? You have to feel it.
We're on the YouTube chat.
This guy right here is doing the cinnamon challenge.
Let me get a better view.
Yeah. He's gonna barf this everywhere.
No more.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, do this one.
I can't believe you're doing this. Oh! Try. Don't spit it. You lose if you spit it.
Come on, Dad. You got it. Stand back.
No one has ever won this.
Hey, guys. This is like funny.
Look at his face. Do it.
Come on.
Do it. You can do it.
Oh, come
Don't
on.
spit it out. Don't spit it out.
No, you have to hurry up. I can't post YouTube videos if it's over 5 minutes.
Come on, you're right out of time here.
Swallow. Don't spit it out.
Don't spit it out. Don't.
Open your mouth. Ow! Come on, swallow it. You're just holding it.
Swallow.
Come on, it's over 5 minutes. I can't do it. I don't. I'm gonna try to blur it out. If you throw it up, I'm gonna blur it out.
You ain't gonna throw it up.
Cough it up. Nah, I'm not gonna.
Ew.
Give me a Sprite and 2 bananas now.
What?
Guys, watch next. He's gonna do
beat it out
2
with 2.
Sprites and 2 bananas. 2 bananas and 2 Sprites. Coming up next.